Canadian Robert Lloyd Schellenberg sentenced today to death by a Chinese court for drug smuggling. Justin Trudeau condemning the decision.
It is of extreme concern to us as a government, as it should be to all our international friends and allies, that China has chosen to begin to arbitrarily apply death penalty in cases facing, as in this case, facing a Canadian.
Schellenberg was initially sentenced to 15 years behind bars after he was arrested in 2014, accused of planning to smuggle more than 200 kilos of methamphetamine. But there was an abrupt change last month when Chinese prosecutors said the sentence was too lenient. Schellenberg's retrial scheduled just 4 days ago. The Canadian reportedly telling the court he's not a drug smuggler and that he came to China as a tourist. Today's sentencing could strain relations even further between Beijing and Ottawa. Two Canadians, Michael Kovrig and Michael Spavor, have been detained in China since last month, in apparent retaliation to the arrest of top Chinese exec Huawei CFO Meng Wanzhou in Vancouver last month at the request of the U.S. She's now out on bail awaiting possible extradition to the U.S. for allegedly violating American sanctions on Iran. Following Meng's arrest, China had warned of unspecified consequences. Spavor and Kovrig are accused of endangering Chinese state security. Canada has called for their immediate release. And today, Trudeau saying Canada will do all it can to intervene in Schellenberg's case.
As a government, we actually strengthened the policy that requires the Canadian government to always intercede on behalf of Canadian facing the death penalty anywhere in the world. We will continue to do that as we have in this case.
And Schellenberg was told he has the right to appeal within 10 days.